cannot understand about this because it's too hard to understand because it's about accelerating. So I'm gonna skip it about explaining this picture. On August 2009, the accelerating pedal problem started and it continued and explained it. And on February 2010, we recalled a rolling scale on cars on an international scale that was similar to the scales falling of Japan. Even Toyota did problems, Toyota did nothing to solve the problem to customer. So people got angry like him. Then why are people angry about this? I picked up 5 topics about this situation. First, overconfidence of quality, it makes problem. Because the problem was expanded, means crisis expanded already, but Toyota did nothing. It's late. And second, it was Japanese attitude. Actually, normally in Asia, in Japan, if they make a problem, they just bow to people and apologize. But in America, it's not working. So Japanese easygoing attitude makes hard more to control the problem. Third, exclusive decision-making process makes problem as well. Because they have to conform the decision to have exclusive. So it makes slow decision-making problem. And fourth, over-abundance attention makes problem. Because they couldn't check the cars one by one before cars out. And lastly, CEO Akio was away on business. That was the big problem. Akio did nothing to the before problem expanded. And finally, consumer confidence was decreased. So what's the problem? The company thought company has to improve their own internal communication and restore consumer confidence. So they did many things to solve the problem, and they also did program for Inside named Communication Across Cultures, which is travel to different Toyota headquarters throughout the world to meet with local practitioners because they have to make harmony. So these are objectives to public. Goal, of course, to increase positive attitude about Toyota. So they gave the key message to the public. Toyota is very safe, and delicate best service to customer. And target audience, of course, males and people who like the car. Let's talk about internet communication. Goal was Toyota PR practitioners has to think internationally. As I told you, they have to make harmony. And key message was understanding and share their culture. And target audiences, all Toyota public relations practitioners worldwide. Now, let's talk about strategies to public first. First, bring back the reputation of Toyota to positive. Second, give customers an incentive to buy Toyota. Third, attract the attention of the public in a fun and unique manner. Because customers have to buy the Toyota, then Toyota goes out. And international communication, I'm going to talk about internal communication. First, change executives' attitudes because they're too strict. They have to be friend or something like that. And then they can well communication. Second, they use the face-to-face communication because they have to make conversation. Lastly, they use the process of rational and international. They have to make harmony, of course. So I'm going to talk about the tactics for you guys. Let's see the public tactics first. They use the insurance. Begin the campaign with TV commercial highlighting cars that were a worst top safety hours. Means they use these hours by Insurance Institute for Safety Highway. They point the price to Toyota, and people think, oh, they are safe now. And secondly, they high up the warranty. They increase its standard warranty of 3 years for 100 kilometers to 5 years for 120,000 kilometers. So people think, oh, I can protect my car amount of time more than before. Lastly, they use the broadcast. I think many people knows about Top Gear UK. In Korea also has Top Gear, but Top Gear UK is most popular in this world, in cars industry. I like this channel as well. And actually, the Jeremy, who is main MC, he drive a Toyota, and he recommend Toyota is not, it's okay, and it's good, and it's fast, something like that. And then, it's naturally, people think, wow, Toyota is better than now. So, these are internal communication tactics. They are annually, they choose the one of top executives, and this executives evaluation system, and it makes well communication environment. Also, they plan the schedule for PR practitioners to learn other cultures and understand each other. And lastly, they use benchmarking, means they follow other companies' policies and learn from them. They use the Samsung's for example, Samsung or Hana's policies, because I don't know about Hana or Samsung's policies, but maybe they think, Toyota think, Hana or Samsung has better policies. So they just follow their policies and just learn and copy them. Now, let's analyze and evaluate about this crisis. I choose the 3 words to explain this crisis easily. First, technical problem. Second, organization inside communication problem. Third, unreasonable development from perfectionism in global market. But unfortunately, Toyota did many things to solve this problem. After record crisis, they lost their brand image and market share rate 2.5% down. Also, they lost money around $1 trillion. Can you imagine it? No, I can't imagine it. And recalled almost 10 million cars. Wow. They were trying many things to change people's mind, but it was too late. Now, I'm gonna read it. Actually, this is implications about in our team. I'm gonna read it. It could happen again later, so they might identify and teach its employees about how they can manage the crisis on their own position. People thought Toyota has very sensitive problem with safety. However, if it change their mind, let's try to focus on opposite. It is able to include the meaning that they are using a lot of energy on safety, improve the quality. Thank you for listening.